Most people are told this advice. Pick one thing. Focus. Ignore everything else. But if that advice worked, you wouldn't feel restless, conflicted, or pulled in 10 directions. What if the problem isn't you, but the model you're trying to fit into? If you're curious about many things, writing, psychology, tech, design, science, you're often labeled as unfocused, inconsistent, or a jack of all trades. But history tells a different story. The world isn't built only by specialists, it's built by connectors. For decades, success followed the I-shaped model. One narrow skill, one deep vertical path, one identity. This worked in stable industries, but stability is gone. Automation, AI, and rapid change don't reward rigid depth anymore. They reward adaptability. Enter the M-shaped mind. Not shallow knowledge, not endless dabbling, but multiple deep skills connected by broad understanding and flexible across industries. Think of it like this. Each leg of the M is real mastery. The horizontal bar is creative transfer. Why M-shaped thinkers win? Here's the key idea. Specialists rely on near transfer, applying known solutions to similar problems. M-shaped thinkers use far transfer, borrowing ideas from one field to solve new problems elsewhere. That's where innovation lives. That's why founders outperform experts, creators beat technicians, and generalists adapt faster to AI. But here's where people fail. They chase everything at once. That creates chaos, not clarity. The M shape isn't built randomly, it's built sequentially. How to build your M shape. Step 1. One deep leg at a time. Pick one skill, go deep for 6 to 18 months, ignore the rest temporarily. Depth compounds. Step 2. Create a stable base. You need income, routine, and psychological safety. Freedom comes after stability, not before. Step 3. Externalize your curiosity. Your brain isn't meant to store everything. Capture ideas, notes, systems, connections. What feels like distraction today becomes insight later. The future doesn't belong to people who know everything. It belongs to people who can learn fast, connect ideas, and reinvent themselves. If you feel too interested in too many things, you're not broken, you're early. Stop trying to be I-shaped in a world that now rewards M-shaped minds.